Alright, I'm here at Port Erin. Just took the train, a steam train. Got about an hour here and then head back. On top of it. Well, I'm back on the train heading back to Douglas after a bit of a walk around the Port Erin, chatting with people. And I've got the carriage to myself. No one here. It was full on the way. I don't know where they all went. I know they were all going different places. But I've got the carriage to myself now. Beautiful view out there the window. Back into Douglas. Almost time to go home. The cool things about windows on these trains is this. It's a leather belt. You just pull it and then you pull it up. And to let it down, you just let it down. And then just that. So easy. So simple. We're here at Colby Station. Well, I grew up not liking people from Liverpool, and something just happened that reaffirmed that. This just got lobbed at me here in Castletown. Came through that window and landed right there. There was a bunch of Scousers on a train next to me, and they threw that in and it landed right there.
We went there yesterday. Were you there? Yeah, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Yeah, lovely. Did you find the wizard? No. They get really upset.
Go around a left-hand bend.
There's probably videos of that. Yeah. I don't know. I think we've got a wedding, so. Oh, have you? Yeah.
At the mainland or in here?
At the farm.
Oh.
It said really need a few
George Formby's not in it then.
I don't. He's just turned out in the end.
When did they make that one? I saw the statue walking.
Yeah, I don't know. But then there's a couple of famous. I can't remember. I know Channing Tatum's definitely. I think there's another famous person in it. And they were looking for like extras, like they want all the bike